so we might as well set up a camp and spend the night.
I am going to skip a lot here, so I hope you enjoy and very fast.
Lumber can be obtained from sawmills.
I am going to lag a few times, so I'm sorry about this, but I hope you enjoy. Don't mind this sound, okay? Don't mind this sound also, okay? Please help me know.
Let's start working on the heroes.
General affairs. Chiefs. Nice.
Finally.
Quick! Build some barricades to stop them. Hang in there. We must keep everyone safe.
It's Elder Vidmore. Quick, let him in.
Those who are lost out there.
Oh man. Looks like we're going to the climb. Ching ching bada bing. There's no money for you. Hello, hello. You are lagging again.
Just starting out, we could use more. Tap here to recruit. This worker is great at running errands. Let's recruit him now.
Movie wallpaper. Movie wallpaper. Okay, continue. That's a review. Oh no, not good. I must get things country.
And dispatch more manpower to search for our people. Tandakin, stay safe.
It's extremely dangerous here. Even Ivor, let's train our first. We're short on time. Let's use a training speed up to clear the training task.
Okay.
There's a Viking set up camp here. They will. Niflon, grab your weapons and prepare for battle. It's Vikings camp. Kill them all. To arms, brothers. Put the Niflons in their place.
Stop.
Tap to form a squad. We will emerge victorious under Ivor's leadership.
Just do it.
Many people are injured from fierce battles and need to be treated as soon as possible.
I do not care about these non-flings. I have absolutely no care in the world. I will be quiet from now on until the end. Goodbye.
By the Vikings, call for reinforcements and arrives.
The Niflungs have been spying on our camp. We should seize the up under Ivor's leadership.
We need to strengthen our defenses and train more soldiers in case the enemy strikes again.
No, I don't. I'm attacking you now. Did not expect you.
Victory! It's Fafnir's treasure. You're a worthy warrior. But to unlock the treasure, you need Fafnir keys. Fafnir keys.
Report. Victory. Inflicted ground losses of heavy loss. Let's play. Heavily wounded. These words are happy.
needed a worker who is better suited for the job. Let's appoint him.
Completely finished. Fight One Battle Academy and Squad. Let's build the squad. No. You picky!
The expansion order grants a second construction queue for 2 days, Chief. Use it to speed up our territories. The construction queue will only run when you assign a worker. Hurry, assign a builder now. In the Academy, we can develop cutting-edge technology that will help us. Increasing construction speed reduces the time required. Research is vital to us. Let's utilize speed-ups to complete researches faster. Technology provides lots of boons for your territory.
I must yes, the steps. I must do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Very much.
Don't worry.
Thank you very much.
Already sent
You
more
better
people
like
to
and
search
subscribe
for the
before I
lost
come to your
supplies
house and
nearby.
destroy you.